This course will show you how multiple teachers can monitor the same LanSchool channel, thereby improving instructor control, interactivity, and flexibility in the classroom. We'll take you through a description of the LanSchool channels and scenarios where multiple instances of the LanSchool Teacher Console are being used at the same time. As you probably know, LanSchool works by enabling a teacher to see and control all student computers in a computer-based classroom. It uses teacher channels to ensure that all student devices in a given class setting are visible to the teacher. A single channel, designated by a number, generally consists of one or more teacher computers and as many student devices as are appropriate for the number of students in the class. The teachers will only see student computers set to the same channel as the teacher computer. This channel is set when LanSchool is first installed on the device. If the classroom is static, like in a computer lab, the teacher and student computers will generally be set to the same channel and stay that way. However, in a more dynamic setting, like a one-to-one environment where students bring different devices with them into the classroom, teachers are able to temporarily change the channel of the student devices so that they can be managed while class is in session. This is accomplished by loading a class list, like we discussed in a previous training module. Once the teacher has temporarily changed the student device channel, all student devices are visible and class can begin. This process generally takes only a few seconds once a class list is loaded. LanSchool is designed so that a single teacher can control up to 3,000 different student devices in a single classroom channel. However, there may be situations where having multiple instances of the LanSchool Teacher Console running on the same channel may be appropriate. For instance, when one teacher is delivering instruction and another is facilitating content and control of student systems. In such an instance, both teachers would have the same level of control over the classroom. Both teachers would be able to blank the screens of the student devices, answer questions as students ask them, message students to assist them as needed, block certain distracting applications or websites on students' devices, and initiate a show teacher broadcast. However, there is an order of operations we'd like you to remember. FIFO, first in, first out. We'll elaborate. Let's say that you have two teachers monitoring a group of students, like we described before. During the class, Teacher A blanks the screens of the student devices so that Teacher B may teach their lesson without having to worry about students being distracted by surfing the web. During the lecture, and while the student screens are still blanked, Teacher B wishes to share a slide deck with her students. In order for Teacher B to do so, Teacher A must first unblank the screens of the student devices. This is what we mean by first in, first out. If a control function has been engaged by one teacher, that control function must be disengaged by the same teacher before any other teachers may engage their own functions. Control features include show teacher, show student, remote control, and blank screen. In summation, employing multiple instances of the LanSchool Teacher Console in a single classroom channel is a great way to facilitate interactivity and flexibility in the classroom. Just make sure to follow the FIFO order of operations when initiating control features. This concludes our lesson on multi-teacher console sharing. Thanks very much for watching.